Deep pullbacks, when they're an opportunity and when they're a warning. Hey traders, FXCM here. We've talked exhaustion, failed breakouts, and disrespected levels. Now, deep pullbacks, those big retracements that drop 50% or more of the prior leg. Are they a golden buying opportunity? Or an early warning the trend's cracking? Let's break it down with pure price action. First, when a deep pullback is an opportunity. In strong trends, think parabolic moves with higher highs, lows intact. Deep pullbacks often happen from profit-taking or brief sentiment shifts. Price dips sharply but holds key structure. Respects major moving averages, like the 200 period. Forms strong reversal candles at support. Pin bars, engulfing. And volume dries up on the downside. Higher time frame alignment stays bullish. No broken structure. These are healthy resets, giving you a discounted entry with massive reward potential as the trend resumes. But when it's a warning, or outright reversal signal, watch for danger signs. Price overshoots deep support, breaks prior swing lows/highs, or forms weak, indecisive candles at supposed bounce zones. No conviction. Momentum fades. Shallower pullbacks turn into deeper ones with accelerating downside moves. Multiple fakeouts around levels, or the pullback erases most of the prior impulse wave without quick rejection. If the higher time frame shows disrespected levels or failed breakouts, it's often the start of a bigger shift, not a dip to buy. Quick rule. Measure the retracement. Under 50 to 61.8% with clean bounces, opportunity. Over 61.8%, especially with structure breaks and poor price action. Warning. Fade or stand aside. Trade smart. Wait for confirmation. Full candle close in trend direction. Stop beyond the deep extreme. Prioritize price over indicators. Master this distinction, and deep pullbacks become your edge instead of your trap. Like if this cleared it up, subscribe for more price action breakdowns, and comment, deep pullback. Buy or beware in your last trade. Trade smart. See you next time.